¿Qué pasa, mi gente? Bienvenidos un día más al canal. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to negotiate prices, how to ask the price of something, and the words for store, cheap, and expensive. So basically, all you need to know if you're in a store and you need to buy something, you want to know the price, and if you want to negotiate for cheaper. So the first thing you're going to want to know is the word tienda. Tienda. This is the Spanish word for store or shop. So you could say, voy a comprar mis cosas en una tienda. I'm going to buy my things in a store. So yeah, the word tienda means store. And if you're in the store and you find something that you want to buy, you could pick it up and then ask the cashier, ¿Cuánto cuesta este? ¿Cuánto cuesta este? How much does this cost? And they could respond and say, $5. $5. And if you only have like $3 with you, you could say, es demasiado caro para mí. Puede ir más barato? So, what we just said there was, we don't have enough to pay for it. It's too expensive for me. Can you go cheaper? And with that, they could respond, sí, puedo ir por $3. Or they could say, no puedo vender por más barato. Or they could say, I can't sell it for any cheaper. So to break down what we said, the Spanish word for expensive is caro, and the Spanish word for cheap is barato. And when we asked if they could sell Puede vender el chicle por más barato, can you sell the gum for cheaper, or at a cheaper price? And if they say how much it costs and you can't pay that much, you could say es demasiado caro. It's too expensive. So yeah, to review what we went over, ¿Cuánto cuesta este? Means how much does this cost? Puede ir más barato, o puede vender por más barato, means can you go cheaper, or can you sell this for a cheaper price? The word tienda means store. Es demasiado caro means it is too expensive. Es demasiado caro para mí means it's too expensive for me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And after you use these tips and you're able to buy what you're looking for the price that works for you, you could say, muchas gracias, nos vemos. Thank you very much. I'll see you later. Hope that you guys were able to learn something from this. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you learned something from the video or you enjoyed the content. So yeah, nos vemos mañana. Ciao.